Alright, GM everyone, welcome to another amazing video. And in this video I'm going to be simply showing you how to set up, or how to set your own goals on the Webbie Social platform. Okay, and it's pretty simple. Okay, now before you get to this page, you must have already clicked the link on the tweet that brought you here or on the description below, and you must have already joined Webbie Social. Okay, you must have finished creating your account, and I would advise you to get Webbie Social Plus, Webbie Plus. It will actually help you, unlock some new features and get some exciting perks from the Webbie Social platform. So first, you get to your profile page, and on the top right here, you're going to see goals just below the cover image. You see goals. Now you click it, and because I've already created a goal, that's why you can see this here. But if this isn't here, you see a create goal button just in the middle here. Then you click create goal. So once you click create goal, you must have already had what you want to, like the goal you want to achieve in mind. And now, just for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be using one of the things I need. I actually need a new PC. I'm currently using a HP ZBook, and the processor is not really so good for me, especially when it comes to editing videos. I'm currently using CapCut, so if I have a stronger laptop, it will actually help me. So you see, this is a goal that I want to achieve, and the community could actually help me if they like my videos, you understand? So now, first off, if I want to actually set a goal for this, I'll need a goal image. So I'll just come to Amazon, and after due research, this is the laptop I would like to get next, Alienware 18. So all you could just do is save the image from here. Okay, come back here to Webbie Social, then click here and upload the image. So I'm just going to come to my downloads and then put the image up there. So make sure, if you can, edit this and make it to fit, but this is still good. It will be better to get an image of the orientation here, so once you place it, it can still be visible, but this is still good. So now the goal I'm going to put, I would say new laptop for better video editing. So here I'm just going to describe that I am currently using a HP ZBook and editing with huge apps like Adobe Premiere Pro and DaVinci Resolve has been impossible or laggy. This laptop would help me make better edits with these programs. So this is just a rough, but when you're doing yours, make it very detailed, you understand? So just for the purpose of this video, I'm going to leave it here, and then I'm going to put the amount here. What's the amount we see here? 4,299.95. so just 4,299. So I'm just going to call it $4,300 roughly. So, and then I'll click create goal. So now, normally, because I already have my wallet attached here, you can see a goal created successfully because I already have my wallet attached here. That's why it went smoothly. But yours might actually need you to connect your wallet, the wallets that you use and receive the funds, and you choose the wallet you want and sign and all the network confirmations and everything. So now you come here to goals, you see all the goals that are here, and then you click activate. So now the goal has been updated, and you can see it is currently the active goal. I have another goal here. So now, one thing you need to also know is that there's only one goal that can be active at a time. Okay, so you actually choose the one you want, and just for the purpose of this video, I had to activate this one. You that's just creating only one goal might not need to activate. Once you just publish it, it will be activated. But now, because I have a couple of goals, I'll have to choose the one I actually want activated, and once you activate it, it will show up here on your profile. Now, another thing if you come to goals, you can decide to edit it. So I'm just going to come edit this one, change the text or change the figure or whatsoever. Or you can decide to, make it inactive or deactivate it. So that way it actually doesn't show. So it's that simple. So now another thing you should also know, if you come to goals here, this goals tab, if you come here, you will see all the goals that has been. So like you can see the one I already did here. I'm actually looking for a Starlink Mini right now, and Webbie Social has been able to, I've been able to raise $7 so far out of $670, and hopefully before the end of this year it should be met. So you can see other people here. Someone has already raised $505, having a studio place one day. You can see, go down, someone has already raised $100 from me. This is actually really huge. People are actually contributing to the success of other. Someone has done $17, $62, and yeah, $20, 26, 23. These are all the goals that are here so far. And then you can also filter it. If you click filter, you can see the active ones, the ones that are currently live and active. You can also see the completed ones. So far no goal has actually been completed for now, but definitely there are some goals that will soon be completed. So yeah, that is everything about goals. Don't forget, if you actually have something you're trying to raise funds for as a creator on Webbie Social, the community will always support you. As you can see, there is actually support on almost 80% of all the tweets, of all the goals. So the community here is actually really active. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video with your family and friends, and have an amazing day.